Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the single player progress from the cloud if something happened to it on your PS5. So just press the PlayStation button, go back to the home screen, and locate the game you're having an issue with, maybe Minecraft. Now press Options, go to Upload/Download Save Data, and you'll be able to see your saved file under here. So you got Upload, which will be what's on your PlayStation 5, and Download right here. So I don't want to download the file because the console storage is newer. So what I actually want to do is upload a new save. So if something does happen in the future, I have the most current version. So I don't want to sync those at all. So we can go to a different game, for example, and we can download it under there. So maybe Lies of P. I haven't played this yet, but I can go to download, and I should be able to retrieve my single player progress if something happened, if it got deleted from my PlayStation, or maybe I went to a different PlayStation and I want to go and download it from the cloud. If I log in with my account, I can go to the game, go to download save data, and boom, I have my single player progress at any point in time right here. So go ahead and look at this option. Now it should automatically sync if you have PlayStation Plus, but sometimes there's issues where it doesn't, like for Minecraft, for example. My console version was newer than the account sync. So let's look at Oblivion, make sure this is synced up. So if something happens, I don't have to worry. And it looks like it's syncing 298, 298. Good. So the data is synced now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.